The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is set to be officially unveiled on January 22, 2025, during the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, California. This launch will introduce the next generation of Samsung's flagship smartphones, which are expected to include the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. The devices are rumored to feature cutting-edge technology, including a next-generation Exynos or Snapdragon processor, depending on the region, advanced camera systems, and a refined design. Pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 family are anticipated to begin shortly after the launch, on January 24, 2025, with a global release expected on February 7, 2025. In addition to the smartphones, Samsung is also rumored to tease a range of complementary innovations during the event, including its highly anticipated XR headset, codenamed Project Muhan. This headset is speculated to push the boundaries of augmented and virtual reality experiences. With such a robust lineup, the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event is poised to be one of the most significant tech announcements of the year, further solidifying Samsung's position as a leader in the mobile and tech industry.